Chengli Group, a trusted leader in special-purpose vehicles, proudly announces the successful delivery of a new batch of Dongfeng water tank trucks to global clients. Equipped with durable Dongfeng chassis and high-capacity water tanks, these trucks are specifically engineered for a wide range of applications, including municipal water transport, construction site dust control, road cleaning, and landscaping irrigation. Every water tank truck delivered by Chengli Group undergoes strict quality inspections, ensuring excellent performance, superior corrosion resistance, and long-term reliability in challenging environments. Whether you are looking for solutions for urban sanitation, site maintenance, or environmental protection, Chengli's Dongfeng water tank trucks offer the perfect combination of durability, efficiency, and affordability. Contact us today to customize your water truck and experience Chengli's commitment to quality and service.